In recent years, the topic of extraterrestrial visits has captivated the human imagination like never before. With reports of unidentified aerial phenomena becoming more common, questions arise not only about the existence of extraterrestrial life, but also about the impact their presence might have on our world. Could these visitors, if they indeed exist, play a role in a grander, more cosmic narrative that involves the arrival of figures like the Antichrist? It is a question that traverses the realms of science, theology, and conspiracy, pushing us to confront the profound mysteries of both our universe and our beliefs. To begin, let us consider the possibility of extraterrestrial life. The notion that we are not alone in the cosmos has lingered in the human consciousness for centuries. Key scientific figures, from Galileo to Hawking, have pondered the implications of alien civilizations. In a universe teeming with billions of galaxies, each with countless stars and planets, it seems statistically improbable that Earth is the only cradle of intelligent life. Recent astronomical advancements, such as the discovery of potentially habitable exoplanets, enhance the intrigue surrounding extraterrestrial existence. Yet, our preoccupation with alien life goes beyond science and into the realm of our deepest existential ponderings. In various cultural and religious texts throughout history, there have been references to beings descending from the sky. For some, these accounts are interpreted as evidence of ancient extraterrestrial encounters. For others, they are viewed as metaphorical, often linked to realms of spirituality and prophecy. This leads us to an intriguing intersection of modern science fiction and age-old theological prophecy, the concept of the Antichrist. In Christian eschatological tradition, the Antichrist is a figure who will deceive humanity, bringing about an era of tribulation before the return of Christ. Some modern theorists speculate that if extraterrestrial beings were to make contact, they could be perceived or utilized as harbingers, or even the Antichrist incarnate. The perception of extraterrestrials as potential deceivers or manipulators aligns with historical fears of the unknown. These fears manifest in modern conspiracy narratives, where any advanced civilizational contact might serve as a catalyst for global upheaval. Supposed UFO sightings and government disclosures feed into a narrative ripe for sensationalism and misinterpretation, providing fertile ground for those who assert links to prophetic texts. While these claims lack empirical evidence, they demonstrate how extraterrestrial themes intertwine with human narratives of morality, power, and destiny. However, we must examine these interpretations with a critical eye. The fusion of extraterrestrial theory with religious eschatology often reveals more about human psychology than it does about the likelihood of such events occurring. The anticipation of a cosmic visitor, whether celestial or demonic, often reflects our deepest anxieties and hopes for salvation or vindication. Is this focus on an extraterrestrial Antichrist perhaps a reflection of a broader search for meaning or control in a world that often feels chaotic and unpredictable? Beyond speculation, the possibility of encountering an advanced civilization demands practical considerations. How would humanity respond to direct contact? Preparations, hypothetical as they may be, could involve diplomatic protocol, scientific engagement, and public education to facilitate understanding and mitigate fear. We'd be called to highlight our shared humanity, prioritizing global cohesion over division. The emergence of contemporary movements for unity and peace might present a hopeful counterpoint to the divisive narratives that frame extraterrestrial encounters as harbingers of doom. In conclusion, while the narrative of extraterrestrial visits preparing Earth for an Antichrist may resonate with certain theological and cultural themes, it is vital to approach such claims with wisdom and discernment. These narratives, woven from the threads of our fears and hopes, challenge us to consider deeper questions about our place in the universe and our capacity to engage with the unknown. As our scientific knowledge expands, and as we continue to explore the cosmos, we must carry with us the critical virtues of curiosity and responsibility. Whether we envision extraterrestrial contacts as portents of peril or as opportunities for growth and enlightenment, they invite us to contemplate what it means to be truly human in a universe that still withholds so many of its secrets.